So here's how you're gonna install it. Because it is a universal kit that fits multiple cars, you have to do some adjustments. The first thing I would do is this little thin piece right here that moves in and out, I would push it down by hand and see how far it needs to go so that you can move, so you can unlock and move the rod back and forth between the gears. It may go down all the way, it may go down halfway. Depending on how far it goes down, however much of it is exposed, you're gonna want to take this and cut it so that it doesn't bottom out on this piece right here, the actual shift rod. And the correct one to use, there's 4 inside, you're gonna wanna use one that fits over the plunger there, the little piece. So if one's too tight, just find the next one. Even if it's loose, find the next one that fits over it, over that little plunger there. The next thing you're gonna do is, now that you have this trimmed to a size that will allow it to be pushed all the way down and unlock the whole rod, that's when you can come in with the shifter, put on the rubber piece. So put on the rubber piece on there, and then slide this over the entire assembly. And you're gonna slide it down, and you're gonna put the set screws in that are included, the 3 silver set screws that look like this, and use the wrench that came with it. And you're gonna slide this down, and you're gonna tighten it. You're gonna tighten all the set screws equally. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna test it. You're gonna push the plunger and try to get it out of gear. If you can't push it down and get it out of gear and move it, then you need to loosen the screws and move it up a little bit, and then keep trying it until you find the sweet spot where the right height allows you to push the plunger and unlock the gears. Another thing you gotta be careful is you gotta make sure that you don't have this down too much, that when you push the plunger down, or that you're forcing this little plunger here down and it's always, let's say, unlocked, so it can always move. That's dangerous. You want to have it to where when you push the button down, you can unlock the gears, and when you let go of the button, it locks back in wherever you're at.